Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're back here with my second generation iPhone SE that I picked up pre-owned over the weekend, and we're going to talk about the battery health and battery life of this phone because it is absolutely terrible. This thing is currently at 23%, and it dropped 2% just sitting on the table while I turned on the camera, so it is not good at all. If we hop into battery here, and we go to the battery health, you can see we are currently sitting at 83%, which for a normal iPhone probably wouldn't be too terrible, but this phone does not have good battery life to begin with. I've had the second generation iPhone SE brand new before, and I think I had a third gen at one point too. I don't really remember, because really the only difference is the processor and one's LTE, one's 5G, but I'm pretty sure I had I know I had the second gen at one point. And the battery life is not very good at all. It's a very, very, very light use. It'll get you through the day type phone. Any kind of medium to heavy use, it's going to be a 2 charge a day device. This one in its current state is more like a 3 to 4 charge a day device. It will last about an hour and a half to 2 hours on a single charge, depending on what you're doing. And that is just like at home on Wi-Fi. I took this out the other day. I have a wireless CarPlay adapter in my car connected to that. Didn't use it for anything. It just had CarPlay up kind of in the background, and it lasted, it dropped about 10 to 15%, about 10% in 15 minutes. It was about 10% in 15 minutes. And yeah, it's that bad. So I don't know. I think I might replace the battery on it. I don't know if I want to send it to Apple and pay the $70 and have them do it. If I want to pay like $30 or $40 for an aftermarket like iFixit battery, or if I want to chance it on Amazon with one of the higher capacity batteries for like $20 to $30. Kind of leery about those. I don't know the quality or whether they're not, they're actually higher capacity. I've seen some like 4,000 milliamp hours all the way up to like 11,000 milliamp hours, and I just don't think that's the case. I don't think that they're actually going to be that that much capacity, considering that this phone stock has a 1,800 milliamp hour battery, 1,800 and some change. So I'm not too sure about using one of those, but we'll see. If anybody has any experience with that, let me know down in the comments. But that is kind of my weekend with the iPhone SE second generation with a crappy, worn out battery. I did check this on Coconut battery on my Mac, and it was at 677 cycles when I checked it the other day. It's probably 682, 683 now after I used it for a couple days. I think I charged it 3 times the first day and 2 or 3 today, and then I did switch back to my my iPhone 15 Pro Max because I don't think this one, even on standby, not using it that much, would get me through a day of work. Just running in the background. So we can't have that. We'll have to address the battery life concern before I use it day to day, throughout the week. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.